Ikokola kalude omite birasule lomunto somoroto imor kikina kangunu ludo district alona park. Kezda poto loto to district angoni lodo kotido sota miara kitukunedo leta kwataka nyangon otomana kwaria do petebon. Ibaren elu nyezda Ajore kaingarono koludo kotido iguapata ito neda pedorotora Enyaku kere.
This recovery of today were coordinated and conducted by both the ground forces with the help of the aerial support. We have got the air capability that has been on top of this situation to make sure that this big recovery is made.
Engare no koludo kotido mkezde baka sebe araikesa soma gugungunoi nyesida pedorotora dumni Ibaren kere.
As a result of that, because of well coordination between the leaders, the local people were following up the cows. Then for us, the leaders with the army, when the local people are following these cows, gave us information. It was our responsibility as the leadership to share the same information immediately with the brigade, with the division. There and then, the division and the brigade now relay the same information to their commanders on the ground so that they can deploy or adjust on the deployment or correct the deployment. And as a result, it led to this success, this tremendous recovery of these cows.
At a time, 5 p.m., when the raid occurred in a kraal in Kamur, nearing now South Division, we coordinated the whole night. We did not sleep. And around 5 a.m. in the morning, together with the chairman, drove out to this area of Lions Bridge together with the security forces. And we want to thank them for the recovering these cows that we have seen behind us here. But more cows were recovered before at night by the security forces. So around 800 to 900 cows have so far been recovered.
If the people of Kotido had lost those cows, I promise you that poverty was going to further enter into the community of the people of Kotido, and it's the reason why myself and the mayor are here in the bush.
Araide Ajore itolota demio nada imudun ikokola ka kizda mijanga sine peche peleny ide ngare no kongunu ludo kotido kizde sumu no tebe epoteke laklaka ikokola ka ngunu luda ingalara jokit alosta kokola ijeto mana kotido.
Those enemies of peace who think that they can come and terrorize the people of Kotido. Once you come to Kotido, be ready for fireworks, be ready to face the music, be ready to face massive response from the UPDF, because we are not going to sleep as the leadership. Our phones will be on 24/7, no sleeping.
Warriors thought that UPDF cannot operate at night, but now we have got an additional eye to operate at night. I think this one will bring an end of this insecurity.
Eraina irwanana soditi akitukunude pole namba kangon Ajore apedora Enyaku otomana kware adopebon akaolonada kokwar. Godfred Enyaku, TV East, Karamoja.